I'm out here taking the nails out of the scrap wood so we can reuse it. JM is in here getting all the grout off the floor, and it's not going very well.
The biggest project thus far was ripping up all the tiles. So the entire living area through the living room, kitchen, guest bedroom, and the guest bathroom downstairs all had this tile that wasn't exactly our vibe. So that was a number one project of getting out, and it was a bear. All the tiles had to be manually chipped up. We used a bulldog to get the tile up, and then all the mortar and grout was left, and so we pretty much had to go through about, I'd probably say about 600 or 700 square foot of mortar and grout, and just chipping it up every 3-inch by 3-inch piece of it. And so it was pretty brutal and took a good 4 or 5 days of demo. And then we rented a big concrete grinder that got us to smooth after we got all the mortar and the grout up. And unfortunately, we were trying to use that to get all of the mortar and the grout, but it turned out that it needed a little bit more muscle in order to get that down.
There was a ton of dust, so we put some water down, and then
Terrible idea.
Quickly realized that the next day that was just going to harden and we would have to do the same work again. So we basically got nowhere that night. We are day number 2 of trying to get this grout and mortar off of the floor. We got it wet last night, and then it, of course, dried into the same mess that it was originally. So today, our strategy is going to be to chip away and then vacuum and then use this machine to hopefully grind it all up to a smooth surface. Our plan yesterday didn't go very smoothly, so we're hoping that today we can make some progress. We're probably going to be at this all day. The next day, we just dealt with the dust and strategized with picking, and then I was doing a lot of the cleaning basically just so John Mark could see exactly what he was doing, and we got into a pretty good rhythm that way.
Yeah, it was pretty efficient.
is our detailed project plan. Haven't checked off anything yet, but working on it. Can't wait till they're all checked off. It feels like it's gonna be forever, but you know, one step at a time.
We're gonna finish up these floors. We got the bathroom left to do, and then we're gonna start getting all of the dust and everything out of this place. It's just gonna take forever.
So we'll wrap up the floors, see what we're working with, and then hopefully we can make it to the bedroom.
Yeah. At the end of the day.
We'll see. Okay. And here we go. Okay, chickens, it's lesson time.
Come on, knuckleheads.
Learn how to walk out of your coop on your own. Come on, Pepper. You got this, girl.
Come on.
You got it.
Oh, okay. Go out. Go on.
Oh, okay. You got this, girl. You got it. One step at a time.
No, you're not going back in. No, you're going out. What?
She's pissed at you.
Come back over here.
Okay, now. And
He's just banging his head against the wall right there.
let's see how he does. Oh my God.
I'm telling you, dumbest bird ever.
Whoa, whoa.
You can probably start cleaning up in here. Just get all this stuff out of here.
And then I can be cleaning up the master in there.
Okay.
And then
So clean. Maybe I'll start with the walls, then I'll clean the floors, and then
get everything loaded up.
sweet. What are you gonna do today, Blue?
No.
Nothing? You gotta start pulling your weight around here, girl. We are finally down to concrete and are really excited about the imperfections we ended up with. It's really giving us that distressed industrial look we're going for. The hints of green and white throughout the floor will coordinate perfectly with what we have in mind for the kitchen. Green tile backsplash and white countertops and appliances. The concrete scoring throughout the floor is a reminder of the tile that used to rest on top of it, and we even found someone's initials contributing to the story of the space. Our last step to get these floors finalized will be to polish the concrete, but we won't get there until much later when we're wrapping up construction downstairs. Our goal for our downstairs living area is to create a space that is welcoming and energetic, and our starting points are the open concept that we've created, as well as the character of the concrete floor. All in all, we're really happy with how these floors turned out. This space is gonna become our bedroom, and we have currently this paint of some sort on this side of the concrete, and we're going to attempt to grind it off with this grinder and hope for the best. Otherwise, we'll be painting it so that it matches this side, because this will be the other side of our bedroom. Bed will be there, bathroom there. This will be just a little seating area.
Shall we see?
All right, hoping for the best. Here we go. All that is really doing is scratching this up. Not the outcome we were hoping for, so we'll just have to figure out what's next. You girls hungry? Ready for your brekkie? Next time, don't poop where you eat, and you'll get it right away.
That's poop. Yeah, smell it.
Can I give them food now?
Yeah, then you're good.
Okay. Oh, that's not a lot. Sorry. More. More, please. Is that good?
The wall that we plan on completely taking out and basically moving 12 feet that way. Once we got in here, our other wall basically has a metal I-beam that runs the length of it right here, and it runs the length of the building all the way down. And so we were assuming that that might be the same case, where basically what that means is none of these down here or none of those up there would be load bearing, but that is not the case. So pretty much all of the weight of the roof and everything is on this, and then all of these are load bearing studs up there. So we are going to basically have to retrofit a big I-beam to match that guy, to hold the weight of the upstairs area. And so that's one pretty big project. That'll go in whenever we move this wall. And so
we just had a huge project for the past couple of weeks. We've basically gutted this place, taken out floors, we've taken out walls, we've taken out the kitchen,
bathroom. Basically, we ripped out an entire guest room to extend our living area. But with that, we plan on building 2 new rooms, so 1 new guest room, and then we'll be building a master suite as well. So, yeah, it's just been a ton of demo over the last really a week and a half, something like that, and so pretty worn out after that.
Yeah, and we're ready to start building things.
Yeah. I think they always say the demo work is the easy work because it's easy to rip things out, but it's hard to nicely put them back in. And so that's our next thing that we have going on.